So I went for a walk and I came back, and how could he have eaten that whole thing already? It's been 33 minutes. I expected he was going to have to hold that like forever. His antenna's like curled up on this one side. Yeah, I see you. You're looking at me. I would give you something and make friends with you. I heard you can't hurt me, but I don't know. No way I'd be hanging on to a bumblebee, so you got some magic powers, dude. Oh yeah, lick that off there. Oh yeah. You had a delicious dinner. Oh, look at him. Flicking all the juices that he was holding. Maybe it's the stinger juices, who knows? I recorded the bumblebee. It was like the size of the lower phalanx of my thumb. In other words, not small. He's licking his hands, cleaning up after his big meal, getting ready to sleep upside down again. I'll call it sleeping. I guess it did put him in a position to look for flying insects above and snatch them. If this is the same one I saw earlier, though, when it was cold, like in the 50s, it could hardly move. It looked like it was stumbling and bumbling. Okay. And had a delicious... Oh, sorry, that was my hand. I almost dropped it on him. Yeah, you gotta watch out for me. I'm a literal disaster.